Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world, bringing you the news that matters. And today, this news, it matters. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we got some news about the Gear S4. Now, here's the thing. Now, Samsung has filed a patent on this name. Now, the Galaxy Gear S4 may be called the Galaxy Watch. Now, my question to you is, what is your thoughts on that? Because I've been checking the internet, I've been listening to other people, and there's some people that's thinking that this has a good ring to it. They're saying that Apple has the Apple Watch, Google's gonna have the Google Pixel Watch, Sony watch name behind the name. I don't know, I don't think so. Me personally, I think Samsung should ride out with the old name. Remember when the Galaxy Gear first came out, was partnered up with Google, you were able to get the Google apps and things like that. Listen, I think Samsung should ride out with that name. Now, if they come out with the Galaxy Watch, will they partner with Google to some degree? That's my hope. I mean, I could keep hope alive. I can keep the dream alive. But listen, I don't know about the Galaxy Watch. It doesn't have a ring to it. I think if they go with Galaxy, go ahead and go with the Galaxy Gear, or go ahead and go with the Galaxy Gear S4. I think that's what they should ride out with. I don't think that they should deviate from it, but the Galaxy Watch sounds kind of plain, kind of boring. Yes, it does tie into the Galaxy lineup so far as the smartphones are concerned, but I don't think they need to be in competition with anybody because Samsung is I think they actually pioneered the smartwatch world. No, they weren't the first one to start this, but I'm telling you, so far as what they brought to the table, like, you know, your speaker. I mean, Samsung has the best UI. They have the most convenient smartwatch that you can ever have on your wrist. And yeah, I'm biased to a degree, but I'm also being honest compared to my experience with the Apple Watch and or any other Android Wear watch that I've ever experienced. And I got Android Wear, I got the Moto 360, and Samsung is definitely the best and most convenient smartwatch on the market. But back to the question at hand, what do you think? Should Samsung go with the Galaxy Watch, or should they go ahead and go with the Galaxy Gear S4? I'm thinking Gear S4. Galaxy Gear S4 sounds a lot better, has a better ring to it, and that's what I'm going with. All right, make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this. Now, be mindful, though, the Galaxy Gear S4 will be here soon. We're hoping it's going to come when the Galaxy Note 9 drops. We're not sure. All we could do is wait. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.